In this video, you will learn about 6 principles that hold the key to transforming teenagers and people in their early 20s into millionaires. Unlocking the path to financial success requires more than just dreams and wishes. It demands a strategic approach. That's where these empowering principles come in. Through this transformative journey, we will explore practical steps that can set you on a trajectory towards financial abundance and prosperity. Whether you're an ambitious teenager with grand aspirations or a young adult eager to secure your financial future, these principles will be your guiding compass. From mastering financial education and cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset to making smart savings and investments, living frugally, building a powerful network, and nurturing resilience, each principle plays a pivotal role in shaping your financial destiny. Before we dive into the first principle, make sure to like and subscribe if you are serious about making money. Principle 1. Financial education. Empowering knowledge. The quest for financial success begins with self-empowerment through knowledge. As a teenager aspiring to become a millionaire, immerse yourself in the world of financial education. Seek out reputable sources, books, podcasts, and online courses that cover a wide range of financial topics. Learn about the basics of budgeting, the power of compounding interest, the ins and outs of investing, and the different paths to creating wealth. By gaining a deep understanding of these fundamental concepts, you equip yourself with the tools needed to make informed decisions. Knowledge becomes your weapon against financial uncertainty and misguided choices. Moreover, financial education instills confidence in navigating the complexities of money matters, ensuring you're in control of your financial destiny. The beauty of financial education lies in its accessibility. In this digital age, a wealth of information is at your fingertips. You can learn from renowned experts and successful entrepreneurs who generously share their insights. Take advantage of these resources to accelerate your learning curve and set yourself apart on your journey to millions. Principle 2. Cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset. At the heart of every success story lies an individual with an entrepreneurial spirit. Cultivating such a mindset opens doors to limitless opportunities. Embrace the belief that you can be the driver of your destiny, rather than a passenger in life's journey. An entrepreneurial mindset encourages you to view obstacles as stepping stones to success. Failure is not a roadblock, but a learning experience, shaping your path to greatness. It urges you to take calculated risks, knowing that the pursuit of success entails occasional setbacks. Furthermore, the entrepreneurial mindset fuels creativity and innovation. As a teenager, you possess fresh perspectives and untapped potential to envision solutions for existing problems. Embrace your creativity and let your ideas flourish, as they may be the seeds for groundbreaking ventures that propel you toward financial prosperity. Remember that entrepreneurship is not confined to starting businesses alone. It can manifest in various forms, such as pursuing freelance opportunities, creating digital products, or monetizing your hobbies and passions. Embrace the entrepreneurial spirit, and you'll find yourself on a journey of self-discovery and financial fulfillment. By cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset, you can identify and seize opportunities that others might overlook. The world rewards innovation, and by daring to think differently, you position yourself for success. Moreover, entrepreneurship allows you to scale your endeavors, reaching wider audiences and generating greater revenue. Embrace the potential for exponential growth, and you'll find yourself inching closer to the coveted millionaire status. Principle 3. Savings and investments. Planting the seeds of prosperity. The old adage of saving for a rainy day holds profound wisdom. As a teenager on the path to financial success, it's crucial to cultivate the habit of saving early on. Whenever you receive money, whether from part-time jobs, gifts, or other sources, commit to setting aside a portion for savings. Savings act as the seeds of prosperity, laying the groundwork for your future financial growth. However, it's not enough to let the money sit idle. The key to unlocking its potential lies in smart investments. Research different investment options, exploring stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and other assets that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Investing is a journey, not a destination. Learn from the experience of seasoned investors, and don't be afraid to seek advice from financial advisors. As you witness your investments grow, your financial confidence will bloom, inspiring you to seek more opportunities for growth. One of the most powerful forces in wealth building is compound interest. By starting to save and invest at a young age, you give your money more time to grow exponentially. As your investments accumulate, they generate passive income, allowing you to reinvest and compound your wealth even further. Through diligent savings and strategic investments, you create a powerful wealth-building engine that propels you toward your millionaire aspirations. Principle 4. Living below your means. The art of frugality. In a world that often glorifies excessive spending and consumerism, the art of frugality stands out as a wise and essential principle. Living below your means doesn't mean sacrificing your happiness or living a meager existence. Instead, it's a conscious choice to spend wisely and prioritize needs over wants. Take the time to distinguish between essential expenses and frivolous indulgences. Set a budget and stick to it, ensuring that your spending aligns with your financial goals. Look for ways to cut unnecessary costs and embrace smart shopping habits, such as buying second-hand items or seeking out discounts. Frugality is not about depriving yourself. It's about recognizing the value of every dollar and using it strategically to secure your financial future. As a teenager, this practice can be especially beneficial, setting the stage for a lifetime of mindful financial decisions. Frugality complements your journey to becoming a millionaire by creating a surplus of funds. These funds can be redirected towards investments, capitalizing on opportunities that may not have been accessible otherwise. As you save and invest more, your wealth snowballs, providing you with greater resources to explore ambitious ventures and elevate your financial status. Principle 5. Network and mentorship. The power of connections. Surrounding yourself with the right people can be a catalyst for success. Building a strong network of like-minded individuals and mentors can significantly impact your financial journey. Seek out peers who share your aspirations, as their drive and enthusiasm will motivate and inspire you. Beyond your peer circle, strive to connect with successful entrepreneurs, business leaders, and industry experts. Engage with them through networking events, social media, or mentorship programs. A mentor can offer valuable insights, guidance, and real-world experiences that accelerate your growth. Networking opens doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and potential partnerships. Surrounding yourself with people who have achieved financial success can inspire confidence and instill a sense of belief in your own capabilities. Your network can become your net worth. Leveraging the power of connections grants you access to a valuable pool of knowledge and experience. You can learn from their triumphs and mistakes, gaining valuable insights into your own financial journey. Additionally, your network may present collaboration opportunities, joint ventures, or even investors who believe in your vision. As your network expands, so do your prospects for financial abundance. Principle 6. Resilience. The power to bounce back. On the road to becoming a teenage millionaire, resilience stands tall as an indispensable principle. Life is a journey of ups and downs, and your financial path will not be exempt from challenges and setbacks. However, it is through resilience that you gain the strength to bounce back stronger after facing adversity. Resilience is not about avoiding failure, but about embracing it as an opportunity for growth. Every successful entrepreneur and millionaire has encountered failures, yet they rose above them with unwavering determination. Learn to view setbacks as valuable lessons, allowing you to refine your strategies and make wiser decisions in the future. To cultivate resilience, nurture a positive mindset. Surround yourself with uplifting influences and motivational content that inspire you to persevere during tough times. Additionally, stay focused on your long-term goals, understanding that each setback is a stepping stone toward a brighter future. Moreover, seek support from your network and mentors during challenging times. Share your experiences, seek guidance, and draw strength from their wisdom and encouragement. Remember that resilience is not a solitary endeavor. It thrives in the spirit of community and support. Resilience will be the driving force behind your journey to millionaire status. When you face obstacles, your ability to rise above them will keep you on track. The entrepreneurial world demands courage, tenacity, and a willingness to adapt. By developing resilience, you position yourself as a force to be reckoned with, capable of withstanding the trials that come your way. As you overcome challenges, you gain invaluable experience and wisdom, further enhancing your chances of achieving financial greatness. By embracing financial education, cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset, making smart savings and investments, living below your means, building a powerful network, and nurturing resilience, you transform challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality. Visualize the joy of financial freedom, the ability to support causes dear to your heart, and the power to make a positive impact on the world. Armed with these guiding stars, step onto the stage of life with confidence, passion, and purpose. Remember, you are not alone on this path. Countless successful entrepreneurs and visionaries have walked before you, leaving behind a trail of wisdom and inspiration. Embrace these principles, knowing that you hold within you the power to shape your financial destiny. As you traverse this path, let the seeds of financial success you plant today grow into the lush garden of prosperity tomorrow. With unwavering determination, you stand poised to make a lasting impact on your life, your community, and the world at large. The future is yours to shape, so let the journey begin.